Hey guys, it's Benji Tech right here, and I'm here to show you cool apps and hacks to try on your phone to make your phone very easy. So let's go over to Gboard. Let's see the first tips for your phone to make your phone very good. So we are going to move over to create notes over here, and then we type what we want. So I'm just going to type gibberish, that's rubbish. I will type rubbish over here, and then let's see what we can do. How can we slide over without pressing it? So we have to press and hold this like this. All we need to do is to press and hold this way to slide. It's very easy and convenient for those people who can't see the screen very well. All you need to just do is slide and type at the middle, slide, and different other things. It's very easy. It's just like Apple 3D Touch. So let's move over to the next tips or my tricks of my sleeve. So the next trick is to press the backspace and drag this way. That way you get to delete things easily. You drag and delete. Thanks. So please make sure to subscribe because it's not easy making such a video. So let's move over to full view. Full view makes you to navigate your phone faster, easily, and better. So let's say we are here. What we need to do is double tap this full view icon and you're home. It's so easy. So you can also scroll to the list of apps just by pressing it down, and you can do multiple other things. Yes, you can go home, you can see your recent view and others. Full view is the best. So if you are looking for an app, you just, yeah, so easy, and you go to sender. So this is how full view is. I hope you guys will enjoy the app. So let's move over to the next trick, and this trick is about photos. I bet many people don't know about this trick. So this trick involves me deleting multiple photos without stressing myself. So all I need to do is to long press a photo and drag down. You drag it down, so easy, and you select which you want to do. It's so easy, and it's complex that many people don't know how to do it. It's very easy. Please, you guys should go try it. So that is the next. And I also discussed on swapper configuration. This app is too good. It makes your phone fast. All you need to do is just to save, like you save any space that you think you have, then you save it to a file in your internal memory. Once you select, I have created a file and I call it swap memory or swap file. Then I select it, and before you know, your phone will be very fast. See how fast it is. You don't have to flash your phone anymore. All you need to do is just to try out swapper configuration. You can't see it on Play Store, but you can download it for any third-party app. So let's also discuss on 4G switcher. This 4G switcher is a very good app, and in one of my videos, if you guys make sure to subscribe, I will also post a video on how to use 4G switcher more. So you can change your phone, your network to LTE, so that it can be very fast, that you can't be able to even see your phone very well. Yes, that's how fast it is. So I'm not going to show you for now, but if you subscribe, you are going to get the full video. So let's move over to settings. Let's see one more trick that we can try. One more trick. So look at our battery percent. It's 11%. So let's see how we can make it look like as if it's 100%. So we'll move over to about phone, and then we type build number 7 times. When we tap it, it will show us that we are a developer. Then you move over to developer option and scroll down. This thing that I want to try is for only Android 8.1. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm going to press system UI demo mode, and I'm going to press enable demo mode and show demo mode. Whoa, can you see that? 100% full. Yes, this is what it does with your phone, but in reality it's just 11%. So this is how cool the app is. This is what I have on my sleeve for today, all the best tricks that I have. Please guys, make sure to subscribe because I made many research on this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Bye.